Hi student, I'm CM Singh. I'm going to teach you today coordinate geometry. Coordinate net geometry. This is the chapter 3 NCERT. Okay. So this is a very short and easy chapter. You know, whatever you read in class 8, this is sufficient and enough to learn the coordinate geometry in this class. Okay. So what is the basic concept? And actually you have to read only introduction of the coordinate geometry in this class. In higher classes we will read more about this chapter. Okay, so whatever you have to read, come and see. Coordinate geometry in, first of all, what is the location? If this is a point, then what is the location of the this point and how to represent this point? Okay, so we can say that this is the suppose that 9 centimeter from the this is 9 centimeter from this is we can say that this is the 28 centimeter from the down is this. Okay. आप इस तरह कर सकते हो, इसका लोकेशन बता सकते हो, लेकिन आप ये ओनली नहीं कह सकते हो कि दिस पी पॉइंट लाइज 9 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द राइट एजेस. तो ये यहाँ भी हो सकता है, यहाँ भी हो सकता है, यहाँ भी हो सकता है. आप लोकेट नहीं कर सकते हो एग्जैक्टली. यू कैन नॉट लोकेट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द ओनली वन इंफॉर्मेशन. You need the two information to locate the one point like this. So we observe here that for representing the coordinate geometry on the line, you need the two perpendicular line. You need two perpendicular line, and these perpendicular line are called the axis. Okay. So now come the Cartesian plane. What is the Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane, you know that you read about the number line 1 2 3 4 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. This is a number line. When you combine the two number line perpendicularly like this, you will get the Cartesian plane. Okay, this is also your minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is called the your Cartesian plane. This may be perpendicular like this any direction हो सकता है like this. Okay, but generally we take like this. So direction of this. So in this chapter one line, this is the vertical line, this is the horizontal line. This is called the x dash. This is origin O, and this is called the y dash axis. This x dash from the 0 to the right side positive number, from the 0 to the left side negative number, from the 0 upper this is positive and down negative. Must remember this. Okay, and this plane is called the Cartesian plane or xy axis plane और योर कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन. इसको कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन भी कहते हैं, कार्टेशियन प्लेन भी कहते हैं और कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन भी कहते हैं, एक्स वाई प्लेन भी कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी डिवाइड दिस प्लेन इन 4 क्वाड्रेंट इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. दिस इज कॉल्ड द, आप क्लास 8 में पढ़े हो, दिस इज कॉल्ड द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, this is called the third quadrant, and this is called the fourth quadrant. Okay, and what is the sign of this coordinate? How to represent the coordinate on this? So suppose that this is the 2, you have to plot the some number. Suppose that you have to plot the 5 2, you have to plot the 5 2. The x, this is called the abscissa. This is called the x coordinate and this is called the y coordinate. Okay, this is called the x coordinate, this is called the y coordinate. This is called the also abscissa. and this is called the ordinate. This is called the ordinate and this is called the abscissa. Order of this coordinate means order of the this coordinate is never be changed. We cannot write like this. Okay, like it कि आप a is to b को आप b is to a नहीं लिख सकते हो, खैर इसे मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन order and this pair is called AB is called the ordered pair. This is called the your ordered pair. Okay. So this is the first coordinate, second coordinate. How to plot the 5 to any point with the coordinate is given. So we can plot like this 5 2. To take this x coordinate 5 and this is 2. This point is your 5 2. Okay. And coordinate of any point which is lies on the x-axis. Suppose that any point lies on here. Then what is the coordinate? तो x-axis पे y coordinate हमेशा 0 होता है, हमेशा ध्यान दीजिएगा. So this is what 4 0. And if point is lying on y-axis, then x coordinate is 0. क्योंकि इस पे x 0 है, यहाँ 0 है, 0 से 4 आया है, तो this is 0 minus 4 like this. इस तरह हम लोग प्लॉट करते हैं. ठीक है. तो यही सारी चीज है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट, सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट, थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट, फोर्थ कोऑर्डिनेट. व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एंड वाई कोऑर्डिनेट? तो देखिए, दिस इज द प्लस, दिस एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज प्लस, दिस वाई कोऑर्डिनेट इज प्लस एक्सिस. हियर एक्स एक्सिस इज नेगेटिव एंड दिस वाई एक्सिस इज पॉजिटिव. हियर एक्स एक्सिस इज नेगेटिव, वाई एक्सिस इज नेगेटिव. हियर एक्स एक्सिस इज पॉजिटिव एंड वाई एक्सिस इज नेगेटिव. So this is the your coordinate geometry concept. How can you plot the point? How can observe the point? And what is the name of the Cartesian plane? And I think coordinate of 0 is 0 0. So you must remember that. And I think this is the enough to solve the each and every question of the coordinate geometry. Okay. अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन में देखेंगे. आगे कल हम एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन इसका करेंगे, इससे रिलेटेड करेंगे, और उसमें जितने क्वेश्चन आंसर होंगे उसको हम लोग करेंगे. आप ट्राई करना चैप्टर को. इन दिस चैप्टर यू हैव टू रीड ओनली हाउ टू प्लॉट द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑन द कार्टेशियन प्लेन and how to select the point on this chapter. So this is enough. So try to complete chapter 3. फिर ऐसे हम कल करेंगे. एनसीईआरटी का जितना क्वेश्चन है वो सारे करेंगे हम, और ऐसे ट्राई आप कर लेना. अगर जितना हो जाता है तो उसको कर लीजिएगा, और फिर कुछ छूटता है तो उसको फिर करेंगे. तो याद रखिएगा, दिस इज द एक्सिस, और एक्सिस का प्लूरल होता है एक्सेस. हमेशा याद रखेंगे आप, क्योंकि ये वर्ड हमेशा यूज होगा. ठीक है. ओके.